So now we have Mr. Dhruvil with me. So first of all, first question to you: what do you think how AI is changing the software industry nowadays?
I would say it's drastically changing. It's making the software developer's life a bit easier, I would say, because let's say if you're a newbie to the whole development thing, then you have pretty much basic tire ready for you, and then you can extend it to as per your requirements. So I would say it's really useful as a dev, and you don't need to work or worry about any basic stuff now. In let's say you don't know, then also you can do the code. So it's really helpful as a dev.
So it's about dev. What do you think about the job opportunity? Do you think AI will replace the human job completely?
I don't think so because in order to replace human, let's consider an example that AI has replaced someone, okay? But we all know our clients' requirements are never so clear that AI would understand it, right? So I don't think so AI can replace human.
All right. Thank you so much, Dhruvil, for this wonderful answer.